Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Storage class in C. What is a storage class? Storage class defines the visibility and lifetime of variables or functions within a C program. They precede the type that they modify. We have four types of storage class in C. Auto storage class, register storage class, static storage class, and external storage class. Place of storage of each storage class is RAM except register storage class. Register storage class stores into registers and maximum size equals to register size, and we cannot have unary operator applied to it as it does not have a memory location. Okay. First of all, what is auto storage class? Auto storage class, by default, it is available for all variables declared inside the function or a block. Hence, keyword auto is rarely used because it is it is by default used. Let me show you with an example. Here I have declared two functions, myvar and myfunc, and this is main function. This is myvar function, which has auto storage variable. Auto storage variable with we declare it with keyword auto, or in, we can declare both variables and function as our desired storage class. Means if we want to declare auto, we declare auto by writing auto keyword before the variable or function. Here I have declared auto variable which equals fine auto before int auto variable which has value 5, and we will pass from myfunc. What is in myfunc? Myfunc has another variable which has the value 10. I am showing you that myfunc takes the value 10 as auto variables are local in nature. Auto variables only valid in this function, in myvar function only, and we cannot modify it. If we don't use auto, if we remove auto here, this var variable automatically uh, predefined auto storage class. So we can say by default in C all variables are auto variables, auto storage variables. Let's run the code. Let's run the code and see. It prints 10. You can see it prints 10. Okay. Now we have register storage class. Register storage class is used to declare register variables. Register variables were supposed to be faster than local variable. For using register variable, we use register keyword before the data type. Here we have a declared register variable I which has value 5 and another variable myWhere which has value 10, and I'm printing address of each variable. First of all, I'm printing the address of myWhere. Let's run the code and see what is happening. Here we simply print the address of myWhere variable, and as integer I is a register storage class, uh, is of register type, and is stored into a register. We cannot print the address of register storage class. Let me show you. It will give an error message. Here address of register I is requested, which is not available. Okay, now it works fine. Here static storage class. What is a static storage class? Guys, note that static storage class is very important among four. Among the four, static storage class is very important. Uh, that's why here. I'm giving an example. Here I've used void myWhere function, and in void myWhere function we have declared a static integer variable of a static type and initialized with 0, and I'm printing that variable, and in next line I'm incrementing by 1. And here in main function I'm calling myWhere 5 times. Let's run the code and see what happens. Here it prints first time 0 and it incrementing. The value of where is incrementing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, means we called 5 times from 0 to 4. It incremented 4, means it is first the value of where is 0 and it prints simply 0. After that it increments, it becomes 1. After that it becomes 2. After that 3. After that 4. What it means? In a static storage class, the compiler, this is the local variable. Where variable is local variable, which is valid only inside the function, but it is in the existence during the lifetime of the program. Means if we uh, give if we declare any variable as a static, it is valid. The scope and the lifetime of that variable is valid till the existence of the program. Therefore, making local variables static allows them to maintain their values between function calls. If we want to maintain the values of a variable between function calls, we use static variables. External storage class. External storage class is used to give a reference of a global variable that is visible to all the program files. When we use extern keyword, the variable cannot be initialized. However, it puts the variable name at a storage location that has been previously defined. Guys, I'm showing you the code of extern variable. For this, I have created another file, a project file, extern storage class, and in this file, I have used, in this file, I have two files, extern.c and main.c. What exactly extern variable is? We use extern keyword with a variable before the data type, and it we can use this particular variable in another file. I have created another file main.c in which we have main function, and this is extern.c. In extern.c we don't have any main function. Okay. Main.c is our driver code. From this file we can run, our program runs from main function. That's why it is called driver code, driver file. Okay. Here, let me separate it. Okay. Here you can see this is extern.c and this is main.c. In main.c I have defined a external function, my extern func, and here I have used an extern variable, and I have written this function definition, and I'm printing value of var equals to var. But we didn't initialize value of var here in extern.c file. Here in main.c I have initialized another global variable int var, and I have declared initialized var with 5. I have given value 5 to var, and I am calling my extern func with value of var. And you can see by using extern variable we can use the function definition written in another file and information written in another file. We declare here, we declare our variable here, and we are using the variable here in another file. This is, guys, this is the extern storage type. Now let's run the code and see what happens. Let me first show you. Let me clear the screen, and I'm using, as it is a project file, we have to run multiple files. That's why I'm using command line. I'm using GCC compiler and using command line arguments. Unique on GCC is GNU compiler collection, and how we use it, we just write GCC and after that write file with extensions. I have main.c, and we can write multiple files, and we can compile it simultaneously by this GCC compiler. Main.c and extern.c. Just I'm pressing the enter button, and it means our code compiles successfully, and it gives the executable a.out. But this is, guys, this is Windows system, and that's why it gives a.exe file. Let me show you. This is this ls command is used to listing the file. You can see uh, this is a temporary file, this is our executable, and this is extern.c, this is main.c. Okay, and we can run by just dot slash. You can see value of var is 5, means you can see here value of functions and variables are sharing between the files. For sharing the variables and function, we use external storage class. Hope you understand the concept of storage class in C. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.